There it is. All right, ladies and gentlemen, out here once again. This time, got a new motor. Got a closer look. Mercury 9.9. First time on this 14-foot V-Hull, and ooh-wee, I got it trolling right now. And just barely turn it up a little bit. I think it's the fastest boat's ever gone. Yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we find ourselves at an intersection that's pretty interesting. Yeah, it is way over there. Look at this. But it has this, which apparently is a lever mechanism to carry over a boat. I think my boat can make it. I think we just might try it too. What you think, Prince? Let's try it out. Alright. We're gonna see what's what. Oh man, this is interesting. Oh, I gotta keep it even. Ah. Oh. Is it picking me up? Oh, let me get stay on the front. Oh man. Oh gosh. Oh dude, it's picking us up for real. I think we're above the water. I'm literally trying to balance the boat out. Oh, snap. Is this happening? It's happening. Oh, man. It works. The damn thing, you crazy son of a bitch. Oh, snap. I think my... The wind is? There it is.
Fuck the wind.
Oh man. The wind again. Oh man. This is intense. Yeah, the wind is pushing us. We're just here just kind of suspended on this thingy. This wild. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Did it go? Try cranking it. This is wild. This could only be possible with this size boat though. I don't think there's any boat can do this. Yeah, let's go ahead and get up out of here. We tried. Maybe if we do it without nobody in the boat, it might work. All right, I'm off the boat now. It's off the water, looks like. It's real slippery right here. I think it's level enough to where it go over. See if I can pull it over myself too. Woo-wee! There we go. There we go. There we go. Pulling it over. Pulling it over. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're good? Man, that's wild. All right, hold on. Here we go. All right. Man, that is crazy. Hey, good job, bro. Good job, man. Wow. Golly, the crazy part is gonna be getting back over.
Yeah, we're gonna have to come in this way.
Yeah, we are. Ladies and gentlemen, another episode with good times and great company.
Woo!
Woo-wee!
Got through it.
Yep. All right, let's get up the way.
Hey,
Huh?
you should taste the water, see if it's salt now.
On this side, right? It might be salty. We're good on gas and let's boogie woogie. We'll head down more down the stream. Get back with y'all shortly.
I got something.
Oh!
You saw that, right?
No, I didn't see nothing. That was a nice fish.
Yeah, it's still on, bro.
Oh man. Hold on. All right, trying to switch sides again. This is. All right, here we go. Dude, how did you... What is going on here? Hey, don't let the Prince get next to it. Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, man. Prince, watch out, boy. That ain't for you. Golly, I forgot to bring a bucket. I'm gonna keep that bad boy. It's gonna, you know what? It's gonna be a dangerous... Oh! Hey, there he goes. Oh, man. was crazy. I ain't expecting. That was wild because we just saw a snake go down here too. Yeah, it'll be alright. Man, that was crazy. Yeah, I got him. You probably to the part where you lost him. Prince, you was about to get bit in the face. You didn't even know it. Oh man, that's crazy. That was wild. I didn't even expect to see a crab out here. I knew this spilled out into the salt. And I seen the mullet out here. I mean, they're all in the corner over there. And a bunch of gar as well, but did not expect to see a crab. And then right before we saw a crab, we saw a snake just cruising on down. Wow. I don't know if y'all can see it, but see there's all this. Yeah, man, I wouldn't be surprised if that was a drum. Now after seeing that crab in here. Man, that was wild. That was wild. I really wasn't expecting to see no crab. I'll tell you that. That was the last thing. That was the last thing. Actually, probably like a shark was the last thing. But still, crab was definitely not on the list. That sounds good right about now, to be honest.